Hello and welcome to the Spain house on the Spain Gibraltar channel. And I finally, I was showing this map the other week when I had finally got it back from being framed here. And then I had got one of these pictures put up of the Rock of Gibraltar. And of course, one of my favorite things is the airport. So there's an EasyJet flight taking off. And then I was just able to get these printed off. So what these are basically is, if we're looking at the map from the north part right here, this picture is looking like you're standing here, looking down onto the city of Linea, which you can see right here, and then over to the Rock of Gibraltar over here. And then this picture is if you're standing on the Rock of Gibraltar, looking out over into Linea, right? The marina is right here. And then on the map, we've got the marina right here. So these two pictures kind of represent what Linea looks like from above. And then this picture of Gibraltar then represents the view right over here at Playa Levante, which would be looking up this way at the Rock of Gibraltar. So after a long time of me trying to figure out how, doing this, putting this together, I finally got it done. And so this is my entryway into the Spain house, which represents the city of Linea that I live in, and then gives us some views of the Rock of Gibraltar, and then also some views looking down onto Linea and the marina. And then of course the map drawn out. So finally happy that this project at the Spain house is done. Now on to the next. I'm working on painting the doors. The windows are done, the doors are next, and that's just a huge project in itself. But congratulations on this art, this kind of this space being done. I'm not very creative, so this took me a while to figure out and do and what I wanted. So there we are.